Hi everyone, this is Deepti Stephens and welcome back. Today I have a sweet and simple mixed media card to share with you all. To save my time, I have pre-stamped the beautiful girl partially from You and Me stamp set with Memento black ink and colored the image with alcohol markers from Sizzix. Also, I pre-decorated the window with Catherine Puller tag dye and with Big Shot Express machine. Here I am scooping some texture paste from Craftangles with a spatula and adding Craftangles Art Spray in carbon black to it and mixing it well. I'll be applying this grey mixture over the cardstock and adding some texture by lifting up and pressing down the spatula. Now I am cutting the texture paper into strips and blocks with a pair of scissors. I also added an extra detail to the blocks by distressing the edges with Sizzix distress tool. Adhering the blocks with tacky glue on the jacket panel to form a beautiful cement brick wall effect. To add more volume, I am applying the diluted carbon black art spray with a paintbrush over the main cardstock over the window panel. Over the main card base, I am blending in worn lipstick distress oxide ink with the help of ink blending tool and foam. This will be the backdrop of the window jacket panel. I am stamping the sentiment with Memento black ink inside the window and adhering all the elements with tacky glue. And that's all for today. I hope you liked the card. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you next time.